So now I'll continue the topic polynomials only, right? So in this class we have to discuss about the graph sum. Okay na? Graphs and division algorithm, right? So first we have to discuss about division algorithm only. Division algorithm, right? Division algorithm only, right? P of x comma g of x are the two given polynomials, right? Then r of x is the remainder and q of x be the quotient. Then the division algorithm is p of x is equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x only. So this is the formula. P of x is equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x, right? So now take an example to solve this problem. See here, P of x is equals to x cube plus 5x square plus 3x plus 8. Then g of x is equals to x square plus 2 only, right? So now let us do it. Then write the p of x. So this is in the model of division method amma. So in this write p of x, here g of x only. Right, see p of x is x cube plus 5x square plus 3x plus 8 amma. G of x is equals to x square plus 2. Right, see here, just we have to cancelling the first term amma. So that is our target. See here, so how much degree having the g of x amma? Here 2 is the degree. Degree nothing but power. Highest power is nothing but degree amma. See here having 2, here having 3 amma. Then how much you have to multiply with 2? Then we have to cancel this 1, right? So here you have to write x amma. Okay, x to the power of 1. See, x square into x. X square into x means x cube, right? See, x cube right here, x cube, right? Then plus, okay now, 2 into x, 2x amma, right? Write down the term wise amma, okay now. So here x here x square, right? What is we getting here? 2 into x, 2x, then write x plus amma, this 2x, right? Now solving, here plus means keep minus, here plus means minus amma. Then see x cube plus x cube minus x cube gets cancels, right? Then as it is 5x square, right? So I have to consider this symbol only, okay now. Then plus 3 minus 2x plus 3x minus 2x is nothing but plus x summa. Next plus 8 as it is, okay. Next see here x square, here 5x square amma. Then how much you multiply this x square, then we get this cancel amma, 5, right? Then 5 into x square, 5x square, then automatically cancels. Let us see, then plus 5 amma. See, 5 into x square, 5x square, okay. Then 5 2s are 10 amma. So as is writing constant will be 10. Next same as is here plus means minus, here plus means minus. Then see 5x square 5 gets cancels. Then what is remaining? X. Okay, let us consider this symbol only, not this, right? 8 minus 10 is minus 2, right? Minus 2 is the remainder one. So why? Because let we stop here means here the power is having 2, here the power is having 1 amma. So that's why it is not possible to divide next step. That's why, so up to we have to do here. This is the answer, x minus 2 amma, r of x, right? See, this is g of x, this is p of x, this is q of x, and this is r of x amma, right? Let us find. So check it amma. See, what is the formula? P of x is equals to some g of x into q of x plus r of x amma, right? What is p of x? P of x is equal to x cube plus 5x square plus 3x plus 8 is equal to, what is g of x amma? This is x square plus 2 andi, okay, into q of x means this andi, x plus 5, okay, m plus r of x means x minus 2 ra, right? See now, so first we have to multiply this x square with x plus 5 amma, then after multiply with 2 with x plus 5. See, let us do first x square with x plus 5 amma. See, x square into x is x cube, right, plus 5 into x square 5x square, right, plus, okay, 2 into x 2x plus 2 5s are 10, right? Next answer is x plus x minus 2 amma. See here, x cube plus 5x square, see 2x plus x plus 3x, okay, 10 minus 2 amma plus 8, right? What is p of x? X cube plus 5x square plus 3x plus, right? So therefore LHS is equals to RHS amma, right? So this is the division algorithm. Clear? Graph amma, it is very very important in this chapter. Gunshot question only 4 marks, right? So see, p of x is equals to x square minus x minus 6, okay na? Draw the graph for this polynomial and find its zero sum. Let's see, first we have to find the zeros of the given polynomial, that is x square minus x minus 6 only. So before going to finding the factors of the given polynomial, then you have some process only. See here, first you have to take this first and last terms of the given polynomial, then you have to multiply it amma. See, what is the first and last? X square and 6 only, right? So multiply it, okay, then x square into 6 is 6x square only, right? Here minus means minus 6x square, okay, right? So now these 6 we have to convert the factors amma, okay. Now we have to write the factors of 6, okay na? See, factors of 6 means 1 2 3 6 amma. So already we have to done in sets chapter about factors only. So now factor means the number which is possible to the table that is belongs to factor amma. See, in one table 6 possible, 2 table 6 possible, 3 table 6 possible, and 6 table 6 possible. So that's why these are the factors of 6, right? So now from these factors you have to take any two amma, right? Take any two of these given factors, okay. Then that two if we add or subtract, okay now, if we add that or subtract the two terms, that result is equal to the middle term of the given polynomial. Let's see, I am taking here 3 comma 2 only, right? So 3 comma 2 I am doing here place, 3 plus 2 means 5 amma. So 5 is not in the middle place, here only minus 1x, 5 is not possible, right? Let them do minus amma. See, 3 minus 2 is equals to 1 only, but here you have minus in the given polynomial, that's how you keep the minus to the bigger number of the given two numbers, right? So let us take minus 3 then plus 2, minus 3 plus 2 is equals to minus 1, right? Here also you have minus 1 only, then minus 3x plus 2x is equals to minus 1x, right? In the replacement of minus 1x we have to write down minus 3x plus 2x amma, right? Right, substitute x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6, right? So now in this expression divides the two terms only, right? First two terms one separate term and next two terms, right, another separate term, second term amma, right? So from these two common one term and one these two common another one term amma. Let us see. So from this term I am common x amma, right? I am taking common x from this, then x minus 3 amma. Next place from this 2x minus 6 I am taking common 2 only, then remaining x minus 3, right? Let us check it. X into x, x square, okay, minus x into 3, 3x, right? Next place 2 into x, 2x, minus 2 3s are 6, right? Chalo. Next write these x minus 3 one term, okay, and the x plus 2 write another term amma, is equal to 0, right? Then write the 0 separately. X minus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0 amma. Then x is equals to 3, then x is equals to minus 2 only, right? So these are the zeros of the given polynomial amma, right? See here, all of you confusing this step amma, okay na? So don't confuse here, I am saying some trick amma, see all of you here, right? So whatever it is in the given expression, let that common x amma, okay na, right? So first you have to take common x, okay na, and after second term before which is having the symbol that should be right here, and which is having the constant number here that should be right here. Then what is came in the first term that should be right as it is here, then write down simply. Okay, clear? Now we have to draw the graph amma, right? So before doing the graph, so once you have to take the values and substitute it amma in the given polynomial. From that values you have to draw the graph. Okay, let us see, right? So first I am taking the polynomial which is given p of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6 amma, right? So in that I am substituting x is equals to 1 amma. Let us see. Then x is equals to 1, right? Then p of 1 is equals to, right? X means 1 amma. So 1 square minus 1 minus 6, right? So 1 square means 1 only, minus 1 then minus 6, right? See, plus 1 minus 1 gets cancels, the remaining minus 6 only, right? Next x is equals to minus 1 amma, right? Then substitute x is equal to minus 1. See, minus 1 whole square minus 1, okay, then minus 6 is equal to, see, minus 1 whole square means minus into minus plus. All of you doing here some mistake amma. So whenever the power is even number, the symbol is plus only, right? See, the minus 1 whole square means plus 1 only. Whenever the power is odd number, for suppose minus 1 whole cube means minus 1, okay na, right? So then minus 1 whole square plus 1, minus into minus plus 1 minus 6 amma, okay? Then 1 plus 1 2, okay na, 1 plus 1 2 minus 6 is equals to how much amma? Minus 4, right? Next x is equals to 2 only, x is equal to 2. See, substitute p of 2 is equals to 2 square minus of plus 2 minus 6, okay? Then do it. 2 square means 4, okay na, minus into plus minus, okay na, then 2 minus 6 is equal to, see here, whenever the 2 minus symbols you have, then add it, the two numbers, then keep minus only. Let's see, then 4 minus 8 amma, that is equal to minus 4, right? Okay na. Let's see, minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 andi, then 4 andi, 8 minus 4 4 only, here bigger number having minus symbol, then you have to keep minus 4, right? Now these values, okay na, take these values and draw the graph now. See, before that draw a box amma. So from this draw a box x y comma y amma, right? Okay, I am taking x is equals to 1 amma, first one 1, then I got minus 6 amma, right? Here add on 1 comma minus 6, right? Next, after I take x equal minus 1 and I got minus 4 and e, then minus 1 comma minus 4, right? Next, after I take 2 and e, then I got minus 4, okay? Then add on 2 comma minus 4, right? After that, I take minus 2, then I got 2 and e plus 2, then that is minus 2 comma 2, right? So from these values, we have to locate on the graph, right? See, this is x-axis, okay na? This is x-axis, this is y-axis amma, okay na? This x-axis also called as horizontal line, this y-axis also called as vertical line amma, okay na? Let's see now, this right side corner we have to write the scale amma. I am taking x-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter andi, then y-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter, right? See, now I am taking, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, right? Next, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. Write down negative values amma, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Here negative values minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, right? So now 1 comma minus 6 amma, x1 y minus 6, minus 6 means downside, okay na? X1 here, minus 6 means here amma, when this coordinating point is here only, then we write down 1 comma minus 6, okay, right? Next, minus 1 comma minus 4 amma, minus 1 comma minus c, minus 1 comma minus 4, same here, minus 1 comma minus 4. Next, 2 comma minus 4 amma, this is 2, this is minus 4, right? Then write on here 2 comma minus 4. Next, minus 2 comma plus 2, this is minus 2 and this is plus 2 amma, here we write on minus 2 comma 2, right? So according to these points, draw a line amma, draw a line. So this is the polynomial for this x square minus x minus 6 amma, right? So this is the graph, very important amma, okay, very easy, okay.